Welcome to Old Friends and New Roads. My name's Keith. So, got everything I own on right now, bundled up. It's January 30th. I'm gonna go out for a day trip. Some of us, really depend on motorcycle riding for our mental health, and this off season can get kind of rough for me. So, a little chilly, but I'm layered up, gonna head out. Let's go.
Woke up this morning with the sunrise in my eyes, just like a new day, a breath of fresh air in my life. I don't know how and don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life.
Yep, always with the gas stop. Here in Oregon, you're not supposed to pump your own gas, but at my local joint, they let me do it. But usually when you're on a motorcycle, they all let you do it. Don't know where I'm going today, but a full tank should do it.
Time here and now. I played the dice right and let the good times roll. One knee and one ring, forever it's our show. I don't know how and don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life.
Stopped in Rainier here, kind of brisk. Gonna have to head back to Portland soon, I think, if I want to avoid getting wet, but it's kind of a cool spot. I was thinking about crossing the bridge and going into Longview, heading that way home, but I'll probably just turn around and go back on 30. It's a lot nicer than I-5. GoPro died about 10 miles into the trip this morning, so probably not a lot of riding footage for you. I tried charging a battery on the way here, so we'll see if that took. See about the drone batteries for that matter. I didn't plan today's ride. It was this morning, and I was like, hey, I think I'll go for a ride today. So like I, in a hurry, tried to get everything I needed charged. Kind of a lot of shit. So things are at various levels of charge right now. But music in my helmet's working, so that's really all that matters right now.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, hat pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head.
Well, I made it home safe. Thanks for coming along with me. I'm feeling a lot better. If you guys are going through it, go ahead and shoot me an email. I'll hear it. Sometimes it helps reaching out to somebody, so shoot me an email if you're struggling. You know, I'll write back. Always write back. So, see you next time.